really good.
We're
Actually.
not just gonna.
We're getting ready for the crab boil, and here's what we're gonna use on the table: Rhino roof. Not only does it work on the roof, but it'll work on the table for a crab boil or crawdads. And also for you Texans, it'll work for brisket and ribs. Here's some crabs. We're crabbing it up today. You're gonna be amazed. Look at this. We're actually using the Rhino roof synthetic underlayment as our liner. No need for brown paper when you got the Rhino. Check it out. We got some Maryland blue crab right here. And the other guys are actually under fire in the torch right here. So we're gonna have some good steamed crabs here in a little bit.